Bienvenue sur Chanel Jeff Denis 56.
My name is Jeff Denis, your Creole teacher. In this video today, guys, I'm going to teach you how you can count in Creole. Let's go. Let's count in Creole. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why not by saying them in English? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once more again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Once again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. In English. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thanks, guys.